Upon clicking on this video, you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, what? You don't make Uncrustables, all you do is eat them. But I'm here to tell you that you are wrong. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you the proper way to make a Uncrustable Smucker's brand. For this strategy, I want to make sure that you need to get a correct Uncrustable one with enough girth and sturdiness to it. There's different kinds. You have to get a very good quality version, such as this one. You see the mass is evenly distributed. So this is what we will be using today. We got the cutting board here. You're gonna wanna take your average kitchen knife. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. So here we go, I'm just gonna unsheath this guy. Just, maybe not a butter knife, but something a little more sturdy. Here we go, so we're gonna wanna make 2 incisions. Oh wait, is that a word? Incisions? Oh, there's my camera. Incisions. Cut incisions. Okay, right here on the edge of the package. Right here. Make sure not to do much contact with the Uncrustable to keep it safe throughout this whole experience. You're gonna unpackage and unpackage this guy very carefully without any contact. All right, now for this step, you can use a variety of tools. Me, personally, I'm going to use this. And basically, the point of this is to wipe off all of the ice and other unnecessary items off of the pure bread. I'm going to take our Uncrustable, drop it in the toaster, all right? And the whole point of wiping it was so there's no compromises within the toaster structure when you put the Uncrustable in there. So you're gonna wanna put it in, right? Now you're gonna wanna turn it to preferably 2 toastiness. 2, I'm gonna go 2. Toast. Now we're gonna wanna safely remove it from the toaster. Oh, now here we go. You're gonna wanna get it so it has the golden brown toaster lines right here. We got our knife. You can enjoy this meal with a nice beverage. And yeah, I want to have a little garnish here, like that. Now this is the perfect way to make your Uncrustables. Thank you for watching.